Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to put multiple picture on one layer in Photoshop. Okay, first of all, open a new file. Okay, then click OK. Okay. Now you added this multiple put multiple image this background or create a new layer. Set multiple image this layer. Okay, all layer. Go to file, open. Okay, select multiple image, hold control and select your image, hold control. Okay, then now open. Simply drag, select the image, drag this layer and close it. Again you apply the same process to all photo and select the large image, control T, Walter space, hold shift. Okay, hold control, hold shift. Apply the same process for image, hold control. Okay, I arrange the layer. Okay, then hold control, select all image, right click mouse, convert to smart object, rasterize layer. You see this layer. Okay, now we can see this put multiple picture on layers in Photoshop. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.